Welcome back, guys. Welcome to our Master Prompt Engineering module number 4, and which we are going to learn Advanced Prompt Patterns Part 1. Okay, so in which we are going to discuss some 5 most and best prompt patterns that are popular one, and as a prompt engineer we have to use in our daily lives to get the best output from the AI. So instead of these 5 prompts, we have 5 more other prompt patterns that we discuss in part 2 of this module. Let's discuss the first prompt pattern, that is ask for input pattern. Let's see in detail of this prompt pattern. See, so this ask for input pattern is a powerful way to craft prompts that guide AI interactions effectively. This pattern involves external asking for an input, providing clear contextual instructions and specifying the desired response structure. Okay, why we are using this? To reduce unclear responses and clarity, and makes interactions more predictable and easy and very effective output to get from AI. Okay, it is a simple, very simple to learn. So it is a ask for input pattern is very easy to understand. Let's see this. To use this pattern, our prompt should make the following fundamental contextual statement. Fundamental means ask me for input X. X is nothing but we have to replace X with our goal, task or question in which we have to get output from AI. That is simple. So that what is a fundamental contextual statement for the ask for input prompt pattern is ask me for input. This is a very important fundamental sentence we have to use in prompt itself to for matching any task type. Okay, let's see this working of this prompt pattern by practically implementing the chat GPT, and let's dive into that. So I am jumping into chat GPT. So let's see what is about ask for input pattern. Okay, let's see. So I will just describe any uh, task to AI before we write ask me for input X prompt pattern. So for that, so I will quickly uh, copy one my prompt and I will paste here. So you can see the exact prompt here. From now on, I will provide fitness goals and other relevant details about my routine. You will create a weekly workout plan tailored to my input. For each day, include exercise, sets, and reps. At the end, suggest a recovery activity for the week. Okay, so it is a simple task I have given to AI. Okay, this is a simple prompt I have given to AI for my preferences. After that, I have used, that is ask for input prompt pattern. You can easily see here, that is ask me for my fitness goals and current fitness level. Actually, how it works, let's see this. If you go to ATM machine to withdraw your money, you first insert your ATM card in that machine. After that, it asks you some input questions from machine itself. The machine will ask your pin code, your pin number, ATM pin number, and how much amount you want to withdraw, right? So that questions will be asked by machine itself. Like that, you are training AI. Okay, you are writing the prompt like that. After you to begin your task, okay, to begin your task, the AI will ask you question. When you give the answer, after that it will uh, proceed the main task. That is a ask me input prompt pattern. Okay, let's see what will happens. I will go. It will ask some question to me. Okay, it will ask, see, got it. To create a personal workout plan, I need some details from your side. See, after I provide these ans- answers for these questions, then it will generate a workout plan for my preferences because I have defined the instructions in the prompt. After that, I have used ask me input prompt pattern in which the AI will ask questions to me. When I provide answer to these questions, then only the AI will generate a weekly workout plan tailored to my preferences. Simply, as simple as that. It is simple. It is similar like ATM machine to withdraw amount from the bank itself. Okay, so you can match this like it is a ATM machine. You ask me for fitness goals and current fitness level. That is your inserted an ATM card. After that, it will ask what is your PIN number, how much amount you want, and you want to withdraw from current or savings account. All these preferences like this. It is similarly work. Okay, let's see. After I provide answer for these questions, it will generate a workout weekly workout plan for me. Okay, let's see the. I will provide answers quickly. You can check here. What is your fitness goals? I will go to weight loss. Weight loss. So number two is what is your current fitness level? That I could take it intermediate. Number three is do you have access to a gym or prefer home workouts? I will prefer home workouts. Number fourth question, any specific preferences or limitations you have? Uh, I will take no heavy lifting. Number fifth answer is how much time you can dedicate daily to your workout. Let's take 30 minutes. So let's see what the AI will generate a response. Here you can see there is a better output, that is the AI generated weekly workout plan based on my input here, right? That is best. Okay, it is very effective and it is very best output to get my tailor or to get my preferences workout plan because it asks more detail about me, my preferences. The AI asks me my preferences to generate a effective and near and easy preferable workout plan which is set my routine. Okay, if you see instead of this, if you write a question, just provide me I will just provide my fitness goals. Okay, just you if you write instead of this prompt pattern, if you write create a weekly workout plan tailored to my in for my 30 days workout plan, it will simply generate some random uh, information or a weekly workout plan randomly without knowing your preferences. If you use this prompt pattern, ask me for input prompt pattern, it will ask your preferences, what actually you need, in what preferable output you want, in what aspects and in what way you want. So this is the ask me for input prompt pattern works. You can use for any other applications. Right, I have taken in only for the weekly workout plan, so I can take for study education purpose any complex task that AI cannot know the background information of you to actually solve the real problem, right? So if You give the uh, details, your details to AI, which supports your task. It can generate a best output, as we earlier discussed about the prompt optimization, right? So it is a best practice practices while writing the input prompt pattern, which helps you to uh, get the best output. Okay, so why this pattern is useful means, so we can improve accuracy of output. Okay, it is a best, we can improve accuracy of output because the we have declare our requirements in here, because the AI asked me the questions related to my task that AI wants from me, because the task is generating weekly workout plan for who, for me. Then AI will ask questions to me only, na? Same like after I uh, provide my preferences here, it will generate a accurate and suitable weekly workout plan for me. That is why this ask me input prompt pattern is very powerful if you go into deeper in that. So you can easily understand by writing more and more prompts regarding this ask me input prompt pattern, in which you can get deeper insights if you use this and if you practice well and well with the chat gpt and other AI language models as well. But it will works in ChatGPT the most thing. Okay, it will works better in ChatGPT because it has some capabilities, uh, good capabilities rather than other language models. And don't worry if we discuss this topic also, understanding different LLMs and their capabilities, pros and cons in upcoming models after this module. Okay, so this is all about ask me for input pattern. So okay, I will take for another example to get better understanding of this. So for I will take simple example. So let's take some from now. Okay, I will take another thing here. From now, I will, okay, I will take from, I will describe scenes in text. You will translate, okay, this, I will take a simple prompt to understand, to get better understanding it. From now, I will tell which language speaking language you use to translate the given task. Sorry, to translate the given text. So I will ask, okay, the given I will just provide here task. How are you? So what I have tell to AI, from now I will tell which speaking language you use to translate the given text. How are you? This is a task in which I tell to AI, okay, I will tell you, I will tell which language you should use to translate, you should use to translate this, the given text, how are you? So what I will tell, I will use here ask me input prompt pattern here. Ask me, so I will take this. Now ask me for which language I need to use. So let's see what will AI generate. You can see the AI asked me, got it, which language should I use to translate how are you? Okay, I will tell French. So I just provide the answer that is French. Now you can see the uh, how are you is translated to this one in the French. So this like the ask me for input prompt pattern works. You just have to define a task in which you have to use this. I will tell which speaking language you should use to translate the given text. How are you? Last At the last point you have to use ask me. That is now ask me for which language I need to use. That is your based on your requirement or task that you are going to solve by the AI. So you can change this, but you have to use at the last stage is ask me for. But you can, so you should make sure you have to define it task itself also. In this case I have tell to AI, I will tell AI, I will tell which speaking language you should use to translate this. I have tell to the AI because I will tell you. Okay, for that I have to write the ask me for input prompt pattern at the last. This will two matches here. Yes, when I provide this answer it will take here and it will translate to how are you in the French. So this is quite easy if you practice well by yourself in the ChatGPT. So don't worry, I will provide this chat link in the document itself, and you will get the after this course to get better understanding it. So that's it, guys, for this. Uh, all about ask me for input prompt pattern, in which we have seen we have to use some fundamental contextual statement, that is ask me for input x is maybe something your goal question or task or anything that according to our preferences. So we have seen two examples in which we have seen that is one from now. Okay, from fitness related to, and another is translation regarding this. So you can uh, understand this more deeper with by practicing by yourself, so you can get some deeply insights and you can understand very well in that. So that's it for this prompt pattern. So let's move to our other prompt pattern, that is persona prompt pattern.